Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossin' that soldier race.
Hey everybody, this is Jason Matthews. Welcome to a brand new episode. Today, we're going to talk about why you should really consider refinancing your home now. But before we get started, hit that thumbs up button. So right now, we have this huge, crazy wave right now of people talking about of a refinance boom. And right now, on a report from the Wall Street Journal, it says that a lot of brown and black people are missing this huge refinance wave. And so I wanted to make this episode for people to totally understand why you should really consider refinancing, as I think this is going to be a great way for you to do it. And so I just want to educate you on the process. Now, here's a disclosure. We do not loan money out here. All we do is give advice on what could be smart moves for you. So before you get started, talk to your mortgage person, talk to your advisor, find out what's the best move for you. So right now, the reason we're seeing this huge refinance boom is because of interest rates dropped. And interest rates dropped due to COVID right now. And we don't know if interest rates are going to go back up because since COVID has started, we're starting to hear this huge talk of inflation. And the natural tradition of inflation is you fight inflation by raising interest rates. And we could see interest rates go up. So that is an asterisk. But currently right now, the people are refinancing because interest rates are still really, really low. So just look at this. In November 2008, the average 30-year mortgage was 4.87%. Right now in May 2021, but these are numbers I got from Freddie Mac, the 30-year mortgage on average is 2.96. That's almost 2 points difference. So what does that mean for you? That means that it costs less to service that debt, which means if you bought a house, if you bought that same house now at that same price, you're paying a lot less of a monthly mortgage than that person who bought in November 2018. But you're like, hey, I bought that house in November 2008, November 2017, anytime in 2019. So maybe I should reconsider refinancing. And the answer is yes, because you want to take advantage of now of the low interest rates because it costs less to service that debt. Now, here's a good thing. Once you refinance, you can pull out the cash out of your house. I'm not telling you should buy Cadillacs and Escalades and 22s. I think we all learned that mistake in the last housing boom of 2004 to 2007. But what I'm saying is we should service that debt, have that extra cash, and with that extra cash now, we can save more for our everyday spending. We can have more for our retirement. We can put money in our Roth IRA. At the same time, now we have a lot more flexibility. Now, you might be wondering, well, Jason, I don't know what should I do and what should I consider? One thing is this. Look at your credit. If you have good credit and you've been building and paying on your mortgage on time, you still got good credit, you're not maxed out your credit card, this would be a great time to refinance. Also, when you talk to your mortgage specialist, see if you should pull cash out or just refinance to a new 30-year loan and just pay a lower rate and not take any cash out. What does that mean for you? Now you're just servicing the debt. You didn't take out no cash. You're just servicing the debt and you have extra cash in your pocket. Another thing you need to consider is how many more years you have left on your mortgage. Now, this might not be good for somebody who might only have a year or two or 5 years left on their mortgage, but if you're only a couple years into your mortgage, this might be a great time for you if you're 5 or even 10 years or less. But that's why you have to talk to a mortgage person to really see if this is for you. But if this is for you, look at this, consider it. Just don't be like, nah, I don't want to refinance. Take a deep breath, talk to somebody new, and just line up the numbers and see if it makes sense. I think if we don't, a lot of us are going to miss this wave as interest rates could possibly creep up due to this huge inflation wave that could increase interest rates that the Federal Reserve says is going to happen next year. Now, if you have any other questions, you have any other topics, please let us know. Contact us at matthewsfinancial@gmail.com or give us a call, 510-229-7608.